So today Adrian's getting upgraded with some parts. He finally got all the shippings in, and we're gonna make his LE Camry turn into a somewhat TRD Camry and get it all nice and sporty with some carbon fiber. Sporty with some carbon fiber. And we're gonna do diffusers, side skirts, a spoiler, and the upper spoiler on the windshield. And I think that's it. Front lip as well. Maybe a front lip. But stay tuned, just wait till he gets here. So yeah, gotta unlock the shop. We got the Lincoln on the spokes.
You're like the Lincoln on the leaks. Oh shit.
Oh damn, yeah, I just hit the Mercedes, yep.
No. Oh, it's cold in here.